The P0175 code means the engine control module has detected a rich air fuel mixture on bank 2. In simple terms, there's more fuel than air being burned in the engine on bank 2. In a V-type engine like a V6 or V8, bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder 1. The first cause could be a dirty or faulty mass airflow sensor. If the MAF sensor is giving incorrect readings, the ECM may think less air is coming in and start adding more fuel than necessary. Cleaning it with proper MAF sensor cleaner may fix the issue, but if it's bad, it'll need replacing. The second cause could be a faulty MAP sensor. Not all vehicles have a MAF sensor. Some rely on a manifold absolute pressure sensor instead, or even use both. If the MAP sensor is giving the ECM incorrect pressure readings, it can miscalculate how much air is entering the engine and dump in more fuel than needed, causing a rich condition. The third cause could be a leaking fuel injector. If one or more injectors on bank 2 are stuck open or dripping, it'll dump too much fuel into the engine. You might even smell raw fuel from the exhaust. The fourth cause could be a bad fuel pressure regulator. If the pressure's too high, it can force too much fuel through the injectors, especially at idle or low load. A fuel pressure test will show if it's out of range. The fifth cause could be a faulty engine cooling temperature sensor. If it tells the ECM the engine is cold when it's not, the ECM will keep the mixture rich like it would during cold startup even when the engine's fully warmed up. The sixth cause could be a bad upstream oxygen sensor. If the sensor's reading incorrectly, the ECM may keep adding fuel thinking the mixture is lean even when it's already too rich. The seventh cause could be a clogged air filter or blocked intake. If the engine isn't pulling enough air, the air-fuel ratio becomes rich, even if the fuel delivery is normal. Check for a dirty air filter or anything blocking the intake path. The last possible cause is a faulty ECM. This is rare, but if the computer is miscalculating fuel delivery due to an internal fault or software issue, it could set the P0175 code.